am Mary Nirmala from GHPS Rayadodi, and here I am working as an English teacher. Today I would like to take this opportunity to introduce our grammar corner. So this is the grammar corner that we have prepared with the help of my students, and all these TLMs are prepared from waste materials like sari boxes, invitation cards, ice cream sticks and water bottles and white sheets, waste cardboards. So these are the things that we have used to prepare this grammar corner. So as you can see here, we'll begin with these letters. So we have prepared a border for this grammar corner of all the different letters. Here there are some vowel letters and also consonant letters. So I have just stuck the letters randomly. I have not stuck the letters in the conventional method like A to Z. I have stuck the letters randomly, which helps the students to identify the letters. Then these are the water bottles. So the waste water bottles, that is me and my students, we have painted and we have created a decorative piece like this, and inside the water bottles you can see some ice cream sticks. So these are the ice cream sticks. In these ice cream sticks we have written the letters or words like this. So whenever the students are free, our students will, after they complete their work, they come to this corner, they take the ice cream sticks and they read the words. So you can read, see here, this is the word help and this is the word where, this is the word zebra. So in all these bottles you can see many words of ice cream sticks. So this TLM could be used for the students to read the words, to frame the sentences, and they can also arrange these words to make the sentence, and using a single word they can write a paragraph also. Then as you can see here, some small books are hanging over here, and these small books are called as mini books. These mini books are created by my students and in a white sheet of paper. So you can see the name of the book is My Mini Book, and when we open this, our students have written the proverbs. Per day, one proverb they have written and they have understood. They have also written the proverbs in Kannada. So you can see here, honesty is the best policy. And when we turn the page, all that glitters is not gold. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. So in all these mini books, my students have written some proverbs which they have collected earlier. Then when we go inside this grammar corner, we can see here some boxes of noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, conjunction, interjection, adjective and preposition. All these boxes are made of sari boxes, waste sari boxes. We have covered the boxes with the color paper, and on the boxes we have written the definition of that particular grammar item. For example, noun. So here you can see I have written the definition of noun. The name of the person, place, animals and things is called as a noun. And when we go inside the box, so we can see some flashcards with nouns. So these flashcards are also prepared from the waste invitation cards. So in the noun box there are many noun cards. In the same way, in the pronoun box, on the pronoun box you can see the definition. Pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. So inside that pronoun box there are some examples of pronouns. For example, they, and here it is he, and this is there. In the same way, there are many flashcards. So then we can see the verb box, then it is adverb. So all the 8 parts of speech are here with the flashcards inside it. Whenever I want in my classroom related to that particular lesson, I use these flashcards, and the students, they prepare their own flashcards and they place the flashcards inside that box. Then when we move to this side, here you can see some pouches. So these pouches are the pouches related to the lessons. For example, that first pouch is a pouch named the lighthouse. So inside that pouch we have all opposites, plurals, meanings related to that particular lesson. And when we see this next one, the name of the lesson is here, All Things Bright and Beautiful. And inside that pouch we can see the flashcards related to meanings, opposites and important words of that particular unit. So all these pouches are also prepared from the waste invitation cover. Okay, let's next move to the creative box. Komala, could you please help me to take the creative box? Yes, stand. Hold it. So this is the creative box created by my students. For this they have taken a waste shoe box and they have written their names also on the shoe box. And inside that they have prepared many flashcards. So you can see here there are many flashcards of verbs, nouns, adjectives and all such words, and they have also prepared of different designs. So how I use this in my classroom is I do an activity called Word for the Day. So I take a flashcard, one flashcard per day. For example, this is the flashcard cook. So this is the word for the day. So I introduce the word, I give the meaning of the word, and then I encourage the students to make sentence using this particular word. So after they say the word orally, they write the sentences, they make the sentence and they write the sentence on the board. So this is the way I use the creative box. Keep it there. So you can see many creative boxes here. This is the creative box prepared by Pooja, and this is the creative box prepared by Maunisha, one of my students. And you can even see here, these are all the creative boxes prepared by my students. Then when we move to the next one, can you help me to open this box? Okay. So this is also a box, and inside that box, these are the letter cards. So you can see here, these are the letter cards. This is the letter O. This is the letter A. So I use these letter cards for my students of lower classes, that is first, second and third standard, to recognize the letters and also to match the letters like uppercase letters and lowercase letters. So this is the letter box. Next, when we move to this one, this is a word box. As you see, there are a number of words over here. This is the word P-O-T, pot. This is the word M-E-N, men. So our students have prepared 3-letter and 4-letter words. So whenever they are free, I use this word box for 1 to 5th standard students to make them to read and to make them to frame the sentences. This is also a sari box, and inside this box, can you please help me? This is a sentence box. So inside this sentence, I have tried to make the substitution table. So you can see here, there are many plurals stuck here, and these are the helping verbs and these are the verbs. So using this substitution table, my students, they read the sentences. For example, I am writing. The same way, I am cooking. I am reading. I am singing. Like this, my students, they make the sentence. The same way, you can see many substitution tables here. This is one type of substitution table, and this is another type of substitution table. And these are all prepared from the waste cards, as I said you earlier. This is my picture book, my picture box. When we open this, I have collected some of the pictures of textbooks which are thrown here and there. Like sometimes our students, they use the textbooks and they tear the textbooks and they throw it here and there. So what I have done is, I have collected all those pictures and I have prepared a picture card. So whenever my students are free or whenever I want my students to engage in any work, I have the instructions at the back of this card. So you can see here, name the pictures. So they will read the picture and they will name the picture in their notebooks. Second instruction is, write the action words by looking at the pictures. So in this picture we can see many actions. Here they are crying, and here a man is waving his hand. Here they are sitting in the doctor's hospital. So those action words our students, they will write in their notebooks. And the next instruction is, name the colors that you see in the picture. So whatever the colors they see in the picture, they can write down in their notebooks. This is a very good engaging activity for our students, and this is also made of all waste materials. And this is a puzzle board that I have created, and it is very interesting also. In one of the TLM competitions, I have got the first prize for this puzzle board. So you can see many letters over here. So these are the letters, and in that columns or rows we can identify some words. I will show you how to use this puzzle board. Komala, could you please help me to take the letter caps? Yes. So these are the water bottle caps that is collected by my students. So we have collected some water bottle caps, we have washed it, and we have written the letters on the water bottle caps using the permanent marker. So I have many caps over here.